custom vacuum tool. It's integrated under a Gourmet Easy Arm. So it's for a straight transfer. You can see different types of material here. We have up, down. We do have integrated a common button with the grip release. You have to hit the common and the grip release, as well as, this is our gripper safety circuit, have the weight off the part. So you have to have both those conditions. We have a vacuum gauge here. You'll see when I go down onto the part that the vacuum will shut off pretty quickly. So they're air-saving pumps. Lift the part up so you can see very precise. Common button, release, cannot drop the part in midair. So we have an additional feature. It's called float mode. You just have to hit the float mode button, and then you can grab anywhere on the part or on the tool, move it up, down. To get it out of float mode, you just hit up or down. So I'll hit the down button. Notice you had a little puff of air, so when there's a little leakage in the system, you give it a real quick puff of air, gets it up to a safe level of vacuum, and then it won't cycle for a minute or two. So I'm going to hit the common and the release. That's a general operation of that vacuum tool. For more custom solutions, visit us at ergonomicpartners.com. Thank you.